So you know those weeks where you feel like you're doing your best, but life has other plans, when the food choices aren't perfect, routines wobble a bit, you catch yourself thinking I should be doing better. You're not on your own. Weeks like this are part of the process, not proof you're failing. Let's talk more about that. We all go through it, the juggling act of work, family, friends, trying to keep our health journey steady. And actually, these are the moments that test whether this is a lifestyle or just a plan you follow when everything's calm. We're figuring this out together day by day without punishing ourselves for being human. This week I haven't been perfect with keto. I've been mindful, but I've definitely eaten outside of what I'd call on point. The difference now is that I just don't unravel. I balance it with longer fasts. I paid attention to how my body felt rather than spiraling into guilt. There's been a lot happening around me, work, family, friends, and I let myself deal with what needed dealing with instead of pretending I can always run at 100%. The win is that I still slept well, mood has been steady, no extremes, and that alone tells me my baseline's improving. And this is the point of what I'm doing, flexibility, not perfection, a way of eating and fasting that supports real life rather than battles with it. So here's what we can take from this week. We can allow ourselves the space to live and still stay aligned with our goals. When the food isn't perfect, we can lean on fasting, hydration, sleep, walking, blood glucose, friendly choices. When life gets heavy, we can soften the expectations instead of pushing ourselves harder. Next week looks more balanced for me, maybe for you too. Let's use this space to tighten things up gently, not through restriction, but through being a bit more intentional. A few simple wins. Keeping fasting windows strong. Go for the easy meals that don't require thinking. Prioritise calm evenings, better sleep. Check in with yourself rather than chasing perfection. Small, doable, and sustainable. And you're doing better than you think. One off week doesn't undo 12 weeks of effort. If anything, it proves you're building resilience and a lifestyle that can flex when life does. If you want something simple to anchor your week, grab the free reset checklist in the description. Helps you get back on track without overhauling your life. And if you're following this journey with me, subscribe, come back next week for the reset review. You're moving forward even on the messy weeks. Let's keep going.